Here's some great news for beginners or people that want to get into resin. T-Expert have actually brought out their own beginner's kit. And the great thing is, it comes in a lovely box that looks like it's gift wrap. So it makes an ideal gift for birthdays, Christmas, or just for those ones that you love. Now, I have to be honest, they sent this to me free of charge. And as you can see, I haven't unpacked it yet, because I wanted to unpack it on camera. So put that box to one side, and it comes with 2 bottles of resin, which is their good quality resin. It's crystal clear, self-leveling, and resists yellowing. You get 5 pipettes, which I always love. Little instruction book on how to cast with epoxy resin. 4 nice little measuring cups that you can easily clean out. Some other little mixing pots. And then let's have a look and see what's inside here. Oh my goodness, there seems to be loads of stuff. And this is such a great price as well. You will love this price. If I've got a discount code for it, I'll share that in the description below so you can benefit from a discount code. So you get some gold leaf, you get 7 pigments, which is absolutely amazing because they are great quality pigments, but also these themselves aren't that cheap. You get a little shaker mold, you get some gloves, plenty of cords, some key rings, and a nice mold. Oh look, even some dried flowers. And I couldn't work out why that mold was like that. I thought, what does that make? But it doesn't. It's 2 molds. And you get 3 molds and these gloves, earrings back, and some findings, and some tweezers as well. What a great little kit for the price. I have to say, this would make a wonderful gift for anybody. So let's get on and make something, shall we? Now, I've got loads of videos on how to make shakers. So if you want to watch a video on how to make shakers, because they are great fun and make great key rings, then the link for that will be coming up at the end of this video. I think what most people want to be doing is making some jewellery. So let's get on to making some jewellery. Everything that I make today will be beginner friendly as well. So nice and easy and simple, but still give you some wonderful results. One of the tips I would say is if you've had your delivery come and it's been quite cold out and we're getting into the winter now, then make sure that your resin has got to room temperature before you start to use it. And that's with whatever resin you use, because if not, you'll find it more difficult to mix up and it will take longer to cure and it will be a thick consistency. If you need to warm it up, just pop these bottles or any bottles into a warm bath of water, making sure the lids are tight, not too hot. You don't want to be boiling the resin, but enough to give it a bit of a warm. So if you're buying this as a gift for someone, then please direct them to my channel, because that way they will know exactly what they should be doing. And always read the safety instructions as well that are available and come with the item, because it's really important to ensure that you're safe, because this is a chemical after all. So I'm mixing up equal parts now. I'm only mixing up the amount that I think I'm going to need. So in here it's a total of 400 ml, and I'm going to stir this slowly for 4 minutes. You can see in there it's not currently mixed. There's like trails through it. When it's fully mixed, there won't be any trails in it at all, and you'll have a really good cure. Make sure that you scrape the sides and the bottom and the stick as well to ensure that you've got a really good mix. So my resin's all mixed up now, and I've poured some into these little containers and I've left some in the larger container. And what I'm going to do is add some colours to these ones. Now give these a good shake up, and you really don't need a lot. Just a tiny little bit in there and you'll be surprised how far that will go. And then make sure that your colour is fully mixed in before you do anything else. I've got some red there, and what I'm also going to do is add some of the glitter that comes with the kit into that red. And anyone that knows me knows that I love something that's a little bit sparkly. You don't need to add too much, just a little bit like that, and then give that a really good mix in as well. And you're getting about 30 to 40 minutes working time with these, so you'll have plenty of time, so don't worry. And then the other color I'm going to use is this yellow, because hopefully when I mix it in, I'm going to get a little bit of orange coming across as well. And I'm going to put some glitter in this one as well. Give that a stir. There we go, that should be enough. And now using my pipettes, I always nip the very ends off my pipettes just to give them a slightly wider opening like that. Squeeze your pipette And then you can fill it up, move that out of the way before I knock it over. And what I'm going to do here is fill these leaves up with these two colours. I don't want them to split evenly. I just want these two colours to merge into each other. And you want to fill these right to the top. This is a really good kit, a fabulous kit for starting resin or having a go to see if you like it. It contains everything that you'll need to have a go and really start getting into the hobby. So that's those two filled, and you could do this with any of the colours that you've got as well. You don't have to do it with just the red. You know, you've got a really good number of colours to choose from. So this one I'm going to pour in because I'm going to do them both the same colour, and then we can put that to one side. And then the yellow that I've got left over here, I'm going to put in the moon and in this diamond, and then we could just leave that to cure. In these drop ones, I want to put some flowers, but I don't want to fill it right up because I want to put another colour over the top of this once this is dry. I'm filling it up about halfway full of the clear, and now what I'm going to do is use the flowers that come in the kit here and the tweezers, place these flowers face down onto that resin right there, and then we can let those cure as well. Still got loads of flowers left over, quite a bit of resin, and all these colours and other bits and pieces and glitter and things. I've mixed up some more resin and I've popped into this larger mould, and what I'm going to use now is some of this silver and gold leaf in here, and this is really easy to use. I only want a scattering of it, and there's loads in here, and all I'm doing is laying that over the top, and then I'm going to do the same with the gold leaf as well. So I'm just going to put it in here like this, some large bits. If you get resin on anything, then use a baby wipe or some warm soapy water, and that will help it come off, certainly off your skin or on your work mats or anything like that. So that's enough of me now, because what I'm also going to do is mix up some glitter and some colours in here. Probably going to use a little bit more yellow. I've got some resin mixed up. I can pop a bit more yellow in that one and a little bit more gold. And then I'm going to mix up another couple of colours as well, and I'll show you what I'm going to do with those. And I'm going to mix them up in exactly the same way. So I've got my colours mixed up and I've got them in my pipettes, and all I'm going to do now is just go around this and put some dots of this in. But you use whatever method you want to use. I mean, you don't have to use the same method as I'm using. Experiment. That's the great thing about this hobby. I've got tons of videos on my YouTube channel where I show you about experimenting and what you can do with different things with resin. Okay, and I've got enough in there. Now I'm not going to waste any of this resin that I've already mixed up. What I'm going to do is just move that out of the way and then use my resin in these molds. I'm going to take a little stick here and run that through a few times. I'm going to fill the rest up, and then we'll leave this to cure, and I'll show you what everything looks like once it's cured. These are nearly cured now, so what I'm going to do is just put a little backing on these, and all I'm going to use is the same resin, mix a little bit up, and then pour it over the back with some glitter, and then I'll show you what they all look like and how to make them up into some beautiful jewellery once they're all cured. I just want to give a quick shout out as well, because this is my month of shouting out to all the small creators that I know that I can fit in. To a creator called Husky Resin Creations. She runs a brilliant channel. Please check it out. The link for it is in the description below, and it's through shout outs and people supporting these small channels that allows them to grow and get momentum on YouTube. So the link's in the description. Please check it out. These have all cured up now, and they've cured up really nicely, which I didn't expect anything else. Oh, look how pretty that has come out. That is so pretty and so easy to use as well and to make. So simple, but really, really pretty. You could put a darker layer on the back of that if you wanted to. I was going to, but actually I've decided I really like it like that. So regarding the jewellery pieces, these will all demold because these are good quality moulds that have been put in here as well. So you'll be able to use them over and over again. And again, look how pretty they have come out. I do love that two-tone effect. And the same with these colours as well. I think that's come out lovely. Let's have a look at the flowers. The flowers are so cute. But I didn't keep that one in the centre. But there we go. I'm not always perfect. Well, never perfect, far from it. So what I'm going to do is quickly make a couple of these up and show you what they look like. These are all finished. I think they've come out really, really pretty. What a brilliant kit. I love these earrings. I think they've come out beautiful. And also I made up some key rings, which come in the kit. I didn't do a pendant, but you could turn any of these into a pendant, and I think they'd look amazing. You could even do matching earrings and pendant kit. What a great little kit for anybody that is interested in starting with resin or is already doing resin and would just like all these bits. Check it out, links in the description. If I've got a discount code, I'll put that in the description as well. Don't forget to boot that like button, hit that subscribe button, and check out the video that's coming up next if you want to learn more about how to make and sell your resin jewellery. Take care, enjoy your resin, bye.